Hi there, my name is Xuchen Yao, Product Manager at Seasalt.ai. Today I'm going to introduce you about the SMS tools for sending SMS notifications used in SeaChat. So in our previous tutorials, we have things like using the ChatGPT external APIs to call some API to get a query and also list some API responses. And also I have shown you how to use the emails to send notification emails. But sometimes you want some faster responses right over there, and you want SMS directly sent to your phone to monitor the conversation, right? So now we're gonna show you how to use the send SMS tool to have the alert message going to your phone. We previously have something called notify depression, and this is via email, right? So let's say if I disable this, and then we want SMS, and one more just to get started, right? So the tool name is gonna be SMS alert, right? I have copied the description. We'll just say send them SMS when you detect user expression, user expressed depression, right? So the SMS content will be like alert, and user feels depressed. So this is all easy, right? And what's tricky here is that you have to have an SMS number to send the message from. So what we do inside Seasalt.ai is that if you go to channels over here, and every SeaChat agent is able to perform the conversation over phone calls, right? If I click into the calls over here, and you can go here and buy a phone number, right? So Twitter charges about $2.15 to buy a toll-free number, and additionally 75 cents for emergency address registration per month. So we're going to charge you $3, and that's very easy, right? So as soon as you can buy a phone number, this phone number can be used for calls. However, SMS traffic is very, very heavily regulated in the United States. You have to pass this toll-free registration in the US, right? So if you need this number to send an SMS, please contact us, and then we'll get you approved, right? So now we have it right over here, and for the recipient, suppose I'm the supervisor of this SeaChat AI agent. I'm just gonna go use my Google Voice number over here. So I have my Google Voice number 425 something, right? So I'm gonna use 425-298-7474, right? So I have the number over here, and let's just save it. You can put multiple numbers over there if you want to accept all of them. So now this is working, right? So when I have enabled SMS alert, let's test the AI agent, right? So currently one agent is online, and okay, I can still reuse the previous chat, right? So it's been raining and I feel very low. Today in Seattle it's actually raining, so I want to jump. Oh man, this is bad, right? So I expressed the same kind of depression right over here, and the GPT-2 actually got a message to say, okay, don't worry, this is totally okay. In the meantime, if you had noticed my little tab over here from my Google Voice message, I actually get the alert message directly in my inbox right over here, right? So alert, user feels depressed. I'm really sorry. This is actually from what the user typed, right? I'm sorry. This is actually what the user typed over here, set up by user message. It's been raining, and this is actually the GPT response, right? So that's exactly how to use this SMS tool over here, right? Well, thank you for watching. In the next tutorial, suppose user called and then they want to ask for some information directly sent to their phone, and I will tell you exactly how to use the user phone to have this conversation sent to their message, to their phone via the message. Okay, stay tuned, and I will see you in the next demo. Thank you.